everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Fun Friday video and we are going to be testing out an electronic lip plumper. Yeah, I'm scared. It's probably going to be the shortest video I've ever made because you're only supposed to keep it on if you put it on the, this is the user manual. That's it. That's all you get. So if you put it on the, hopefully it's charged. I charged it, but then I didn't use it. Oops. I think it's still charged. Good. It comes with this little plastic thing that you can put in here so that it puts like a crease in your bottom lip. I'm not going to do that. I just want the lip thing. The lip look. Because my lips is like, there's non-existent. It doesn't need a crease and it just needs to plump up. So I am going to use this, and it says, I actually just watched Tarte's video when she did her lip plumper a long time ago, and because she gave a lot more things. Hers was a $120 one. Mine was not. I think it was $26 on Amazon. I will have it linked below so you can go look at it, but there's a bunch of them on there. And she said that it says to lick your lips before you use it. Hers only had one speed though, and you're supposed to go for 60 seconds, and then it shut off or something after 60 seconds. Well, mine does not shut off after 60 seconds. It doesn't shut off at all. It has 3 different speeds, and you push it once. That's the low speed, and you can go for 60 seconds. Push it again, that's the medium speed. You can go for 30 seconds. Push it again, and that is the high speed, more suction, and you can go for 15 to 20 seconds. We are going to do the low speed because I'm a chicken. And I don't know if I'll even be able to go for 60 seconds, though, because I'm afraid it's going to bruise, and then, you know, this is what I do, so I don't really want to have purple lips. So, anyways, she said that hers had a lot more things to do. And it said lick your lips, because that's what causes the seal. And then afterwards to put on a moisturizing, chapstick or whatever. Something moisturizing. And I have this here, but I don't have it's almost gone. I have to dig it out. But I will. So, I want to get real close so you can see what my lips look like, so we can have a before and after. And then, here we go. I've got my timer on my phone right here because I'm chicken. So I'm going to it's a stopwatch, so I'm just going to set it and watch it. And when it hopefully gets to, I don't know if I'll make it for 60 seconds. She didn't. But I want to get it wet so it gets a good seal. I got chicken. They look purple, huh? No, I guess not. I did 30 seconds. But I was afraid. Look how low that goes. I really wanted my upper lip to get more, because it's like non-existent. Alright, we'll do it again. What do you guys think? Do they look any bigger? I'll lick them better. I did lose suction. I could feel it lose suction one time. I lost the button. Sucks the spit out of your mouth. That's gross. Good thing nobody else uses this. What do you think, guys? Does it look bigger? I can see a line, but I don't know if they look any bigger. Drool. But it's starting to look kind of purple around the edges, so I'm going to stop there. I hope they look bigger. Let me put on some of this, because that's what she said to do. This is just the Physicians Formula Organic Lip Balm. Alright, we'll let that soak in for just a minute, and then I'll put some... I think the bottom lip looks bigger. You know what, I don't think I have a lip pencil up here. Oh well, we'll just use lip stick. I have some red here that I haven't tried yet. Should we try that? First I want to put on some like foundation, or yeah, some foundation. I'm wearing where is it? Oh, it's over here. This guy. I don't think I have enough in the sponge. Maybe. There. Perfect. Yeah, it looks kind of purple around the bottom of the bottom lip. I hope it doesn't bruise. That would be so sad, huh? Okay. Now we'll go in. Where's my red lip I just had? Oh, there it is. Are you guys excited? Oh, I forgot to stop my stopwatch. Alright, I hope this is good. I've never tried this lipstick. This is one of the vinyl ones. I got another one. You know, this one's like my favorite one right now. And this one is the Melting Pout Vinyl Vow. I don't know what color it is. Oh, it's up here. It's red. I don't know what color it is. It is Keep It Going. Oh, it definitely looks like it's bruising. I hope not. It's only supposed to last 3 hours. is why I never put lipstick on camera, because I kind of suck at it. This red is kind of like a gloss. It's thin. I definitely think it worked. I hope it doesn't bruise though. So what do you guys think? Did you think it worked? I'm going to get close like I did before, so that, and then we'll do a before, and this will be the after. I don't know what else to say. This is it. It's on Amazon. It's about $26. See, it's got a little lip thing in there. I did not go a full 60 seconds. Well, I actually went probably almost 60 seconds because I did it twice. The first time I did 30 seconds. The second time, I forgot to turn it on. So when I turned it on, then I went about 20 seconds. So it was probably less than 30 because I don't think I had it on 10 seconds before I realized that I forgot to turn it on. But I think it works. What do you guys think? I think it'd be great for like if you're getting pictures taken or something. But I like the looks of it. And that's what I wanted it for. I wanted to see if, do I want to get lip injections ever? I still don't know that I ever will, but I did, you know, at least if I hadn't liked it, I would know, well, that's one expense I don't need to worry about. But I think this is kind of cool, especially for only I think it was $26. And then you could put this little guy in there, and then see, it would make like a dent in your bottom lip, which I'm sure would probably make it look even bigger. I have to try that one sometime. I'm not going to try it now because I already put lipstick on. But, I don't know, it was fun, huh? And now I have this for any event I decide to go to, which I never do. I never go anywhere. But I'm ready. And I have do I have $3? I have $3 and a daughter-in-law, so we're all ready. You have to clean the spit out. I know that Tarte, her $120 one came with little cotton pads that went inside there. I guess I could put some of those in there. I could just cut some up. I have cotton pads, cotton rounds, so I just cut them in half, stick one in there, and it'll suck up all the spit. But I think they look good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below what you think. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There will be a link to this thing down below, so you can go on Amazon and check it out. It came in two colors that I saw. They mostly come with that are white with the pink, like right here. But of course, I had to get it in red because I love red. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see next on our Fun Friday videos. Follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!